नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली। आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गाइस। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आई होप यू ऑल आर स्टेइंग सेफ एंड प्रोटेक्टेड। And if you're new here and you don't know who I am, my name is Samviti Bhardwaj and I'm a content creator on Instagram and YouTube. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. So on my Instagram stories, I asked you guys what should be my next YouTube video on, and you guys voted for a Diwali makeup look. So here I am with this easy Diwali makeup look which anyone can do even if you are a beginner. So if you are interested in learning how to do an easy Diwali glam makeup look, make sure you watch this video till the end. And without wasting any more time guys, let's dive into the video. I have already prepped my skin for my makeup, and guys, it's very important that you prep your skin before doing your makeup. It will definitely help your makeup look a lot better. For this video I'm using this beautiful Makeup Studio palette by Savannah Colors, and I'm just taking a very skin like shade on my whole eyelid. It's just like a base for my whole eye makeup. Now I'm adding a very beautiful shimmery shade on top of my whole eyelid. This eye look is very easy. You just need 2 to 3 eyeshadow colors and that's it. Now I'm taking a darker shade and I'm applying this all over my eyelid. This is a beautiful shade of purple and wine, and this just looks really pretty. The camera is not doing it any justice. I'm going to do the same on my other eyelid as well. You just need a few color guys, and this is such a easy look and anyone can do it. You do not need a lot of tools, a lot of techniques for it. You can totally use your fingers. And now I'm just making sure that my whole eyelid is covered. Now I'm taking a neutral color as my transition shade and blending everything so that there are no harsh lines. I'm adding a very light shimmery shade towards the inner corner of my eyes, and it's just to make the eye look pop even more. For my kajal, I'm using this one by Jovi's Herbals, and it's a beautiful kajal. The only con is that it does smudge, so it's not long lasting, but that's exactly the look that I'm going for. I want a kajal that can be easily smudged because I want a smudged waterline, and I'm applying it all across my waterline. I'm applying a very thick layer. Usually I don't apply this much kajal, but for Indian looks I feel that a waterline filled with kajal looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm doing exactly the same on my other waterline, and it's very basic and very simple guys. You can easily do it. Now with the help of a brush, I'm going to smudge out this kajal to make this look even more beautiful. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this one by Note Cosmetics, and I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner. You can totally use your kajal as your eyeliner, and if you guys don't know how to do a winged eyeliner, you can totally do a basic eyeliner and it will equally look good. Now I'm going to apply a shimmery shade on the inner corner of my eyes. And for my eyelash curler, I'm using this one by the brand Vega or Vega. It's very important that you curl your eyelashes before applying your mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to use this one by the brand Maybelline. It's their Hyper Curl Washable Mascara. Next, I'm using this Conceal and Correct palette by Nykaa. It's their Skin Genius palette in the shade Light. Since I have dark circles, I'm going to color correct them first with the peach color corrector from this palette, and now I'm just using a beauty blender to set everything in place. For my foundation, I'm using this one by Swiss Beauty. It's their high coverage waterproof base foundation, and it's in the shade 04 Natural Nude, and it's a weightless matte long lasting foundation. I really like this foundation, and I'm applying it all across my face and neck. It does not feel heavy on the skin, and I absolutely love it. Now after applying my foundation with the brush, I'm going to use a Damn Beauty blender on my skin just to ensure that there is even coverage all across my face and neck. Now I'm lightly setting my under eyes with a little bit of powder. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil by the brand Obuse, and I got this eyebrow pencil I think in the Smitten box as a free trial. I don't like to overdo my eyebrows, so I'm just filling them, and now I'm going to brush them. For my blush, I'm going to use this lipstick by Colorbar in the shade Secretly Pink number 62, and I'm applying it all across my cheeks and taking it above and applying it on my nose and blending everything with my fingers. You can totally go for a blush palette, it's totally your choice. For highlighter, I'm going to use a liquid highlighter that I made on my own. Yes, it's a DIY liquid highlighter, and I'm applying it and blending it with a beauty blender, and I'm also applying it on my brow bone. For my lip liner, I'm going to use this one by the brand Super Matte, and it matches with my outfit, which is a total win-win for me. And I'm not going to overline my lips, I'm just defining my lips. If you want to overline your lips, you can totally go for it. And I'm just going to fill my lips with this lip liner. And I bought this lip liner from Dalhousie's Mall Road. Moving on to the lipstick, I'm going to use this one by Rimmel London in the shade 380, and the shade name is Dark Night Water Loops. I really like that name, and I'm going to just pat it with the help of my finger. Now to take my look up another level, I'm going to add in some beautiful heavy Indian jewelry, and all thanks to my mom for letting me use her jewelry and lipsticks for the video. And that's it guys, this is the final look. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment below your feedback about it. Make sure to check out my description box because all the links of the products will be mentioned below. And share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.